Hi and welcome back to Office Fluent. My name is Jan, and today we are going to take another look at Excel in our series Excel from Basic to Expert. And today it's all about grouping. So this will actually not be a long video because the feature is pretty simple and easy to understand. So let's take a look here in our table. You can see I have my shoe shop table open again. And before I start grouping things, I really want to put some headlines above it. So let me quickly mark the whole table. You remember Control, Shift, right and down, and move all of this down one. So now I have here on the top one line open, and let me just call it Austin. And because I want this to be the headline for the whole section, I'm going to mark all of these, click Merge and Center. And now I have Austin as a central headline. Let's repeat this for all the others. Clicking on Berlin, Shift, Control, right and down, moving everything one down. And again, I can put Berlin in here, select all the cells, click Merge and Center, and now I have Berlin also as a headline. Let me repeat this for the other ones quickly. All right, every location now has a headline, and now we want to make this a little bit smaller. So how do we group these? Let's first take the part of Austin, mark all of these, the whole table, and then we can go into the Data tab, and here on the right is the Group feature. So clicking on this, and suddenly you can see a line has appeared here where you can see, okay, this part up to this collapse button can now be collapsed. And if I click on this, suddenly Austin is gone. Every entry within this part we just marked is now collapsed. And you can see this here by looking at the lines. We have now line 1, 2, and then 23. So everything in between has been minimized. And by clicking here on this plus button, I can expand the area again and bring the data back. So let's do this again for Berlin. Take all this, mark and group. And again for Frankfurt, just mark all of this and group. And if I do this for the rest of them also, I can show you what it looks in the end. So I can collapse all of these. And suddenly our whole table is only 7 lines long. So now if I want to take a look at New York specifically, I can click here and get all my New York parts, or I can close this up and take a look at Toronto, for example. This is pretty much all I wanted to show you. One other thing is that if you have a part that you've grouped, you can of course just click Ungroup here directly next to Group, also in the Data tab, and get rid of the grouping. It's easy as that. And with that, I hope I could show you something new, something you might be interested in, and turn on next week again when I have the next topic for you. Please leave a like if you liked the video, or don't if you didn't. See you next week, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any ideas or any questions, please comment down below, and I'll try to do whatever I can. Alright, see you next week. Bye.